Are you from?
I'm
Have
French.
some.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So it's not many.
Wearing in the vanity. I know, good taste in jewelry.
Di anu Bu, Pak, mau pindah ke Sanur. Tracy.
Very careful here what I do. I'm very careful. I don't want to do any mistake. Very important for me not to disappoint any tourists. Always better to be clear from the beginning. So, I don't want at the end you have to leave them out and then you don't want to come to any tourists. So, there I go.
And we live in
In the mountain.
Ada saya.
more wet. We live very dry. Dry and cold, you know.
A bit different from here, yeah.
Yes, there's not this big, really flat.
Big flat. No,
Hundreds of us there.
well, look out from time, and you know, maybe you want to see this area.
Yeah. And the time is 200.
For our memories.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, you're following.
Yeah. It's nice road.
So what we use in Bali, we take the seed from the cacao and then we dry. After dry, we roasted. We mix with the coffee, so that the coffee tastes good like a chocolate.
Yeah.
Tumben di sini.
Ya, tumben, Pak.
Ya.
Ini tamunya senang yang
The Australian they like Bali. Yeah, most of the Australian they think you're many times.
6 times.
Yeah, 6 times now. Yeah, good. And the
Pak.
look.
Oh, look. They is carving the wood.
I would slip and chop my foot.
Handmade. Licin jalannya.
Bit, pull the flour out. You pull it and squeeze it.
Lucky for me because my ass is.
It was our guide, and his grandpa.
Bunga untuk membersihkan mata katanya.
And he got red eyes, so use that.
I will use it now today. Later.
Yeah, later. Yeah, they said steams for 5 minutes and then
then
clear it.
One flower is enough for the.
Yeah, you pick it and you see drops come out. Drops at the bottom. Some part of healer. No, the guy yesterday.
His grandpa healer.
It was hard long time ago, and people didn't even think about the thing like this. Didn't have any idea. Many years later, we have some people from archaeology who try to find out, to see more. More they look and more they found out. More they see. So I mean, somewhere, not in this village only, in other village also they found new thing like this. Not exactly the same, but something from the old thing. Keep looking more and more.
Right, these are really steep.
Yeah.
Try these steep ones.
Because
Yeah.
you stick this little thing like from there.
Yeah.
I'm alright going down, but it back up.
So really,
You just hold this a second, right?
kecil tempatnya, tapi
Iya.
sekarang kamunya kalau senang tempat sepi,
Ya, seneng tempat sepi dia, Pak. Yang bawa banyak turis itu nggak seneng malah dia.
ya, karena udah sering lihat.
Iya, mungkin udah bosen.
Thank you. That's sad, isn't it? Scraping off the moss.
Jadi, what represent by the daily life, how they live long time ago. And also because here there is a symbol of the god like Ganesha. Ganesha is a son of Shiva. So they use here as a temple. One every year they do mix ceremony here.
Right, yep. So you make half food because I do this.
This is after. Let's say new. And these are the ground. And this place, hunting.
Yeah.
Kill from the head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wild pig.
Well, they had a good, successful hunt.
In the northwest of Bali, where it's a big national park, we have many wild animals, like wild pig, deer, things like
Oh,
that.
right.
Mm.
So, are pigs and deer native? Like, or have they been brought in from another country, the pigs?
The pig, actually, no, I think they're already.
They're native,
yeah.
yeah. Because we have
Escape
native.
and live in the wild, and then they.
The wild pig, there was seems like from has been already here a
Yeah.
long time ago.
Yeah. Yeah. So that monkey?
Yeah, monkey.
Two monkeys.
Tricky monkey. Yeah.
Because the stories are more in the forest, in the jungle. So it's monkey hanging and
Yeah.
people hunting.
And so, why is she pulling Ross's tail?
It's because, as far as I know, because this man, husband, tried to leave from her going to the jungle. So she tried to pull the whole tail, not let her go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Know your place, old man.
Brahma, which means Shiva, then it's that kind of Shiva, god of knowledge.
And what was this area?
And that's place where they are doing the meditation. Yeah. The healer trees, yeah. Not like us. Where the ceremony, so for example, like a full moon, where the people make a small offering to the temple.
Udah habis ini Pak? Sana lagi nggak ada?
Nggak ada.
Sudah nggak ada lagi.
Jalan ke sawah baru ada.
Oh, ini keluarnya ke jalan sawah.
Yeah.
Oh, tapi tempatnya cuma ini aja ya.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kalau dia mau jalan-jalan bisa juga kalau ada waktu.
oh,
Kan ada lihat pemandangan sawah.
iya.
Kalau dia mau. So this is Yeh Pulu. That's why this place called Yeh Pulu. Yeh is in Balinese. In English is water. Pulu, where is the water come through? It's a holy spring.
Oh, right.
So this place following the name from there.
From the Holy
From the
Spring.
holy spring.
This temple gets its name from this Holy Spring.
Oh, it's a holy spring.
Yeah.
Yeh is water. Do the fountain. So that's why they call it Yeh.
Sorry. Nah ini ada gentong kecil nih, namanya Pulu.
So all of this is new.
New, yeah.
Yeah.
Only
So-
the carping is
Yeah.
new.
So the spring was still here.
And this whole from the bottom.
Right. So that was yeah. So that round bit where the water's coming out,
Yeah.
that was there.
There it was
That
there.
was there.
For example, like this building, temple
Yeah.
is new.
It's new. Yes.
I mean, after they found it, this. Yeah.
Yes.
They built. And these all,
It's the bottom. It's been built.
yeah,
It's this part.
Older than this one.
yeah.
This bit is. This is old, and then this is new.
No,
No,
this
it's all
is,
the same age.
It's all same age, yeah.
This,
Okay.
this is natural stone,
And
and,
then
that's brick.
Yeah,
So
so
this
kind of
is
unlike-
But still, maybe more or less like 50 years ago. They built
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So moss and stuff grows on the stone, but whereas the brick just weathers away.
Even more because a long time ago we don't use cement. We use all the from the mine.
Oh, yeah.
It was a resin, I think, from a tree.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
But I can imagine it without cement they also can make a very strong building.
yeah. Absolutely.
That's